start really getting the hang of it, to go anywhere you want, okay? Go here, there, there. What's up guys, welcome to Lentz, Lundy Boxing, and today we're going to learn how to get a better pivot for boxing. So basically all you'll need is a plate or a disc, you know, something like this. You can use a tire also. I use a tire sometimes. So basically you want to get into your boxing position, okay? And you're going to start pivoting. So basically what you want to do is take your left foot. If you want to pivot left there, you're going to take your left foot, place the ball of your foot on the ground, followed by the heel. Now what you're going to do, you're going to sway your head left, and you're going to put your weight to the left, pushing off the back foot, pivoting on the ball of your big toe on your left foot, as is. Just like that. One more time. So boxing position, get your left foot on the left side of the disc or the plate, sway your head, put your head left, push off the back foot, going towards the left side. Just like that. Now I'll show it to you guys fast. Here, there. Now in real speed. Just like that. Now, if you want to pivot right, you're going to cross step. So you're going to take your left foot, bring it on the right side of the disc, or the circle, or the plate, whatever you have. You're going to sway you're going to put your weight right, leading with your head, and then you're going to pivot towards the right side, always on the ball of the big toe of your left foot, just like that. Okay. So one more time. Place the ball of the foot on the ground, followed by the heel. Tilt your head towards the right, leaning right, and spin off the big ball of your left foot, like that. Now let's go a little bit faster. Boxing position, cross step, pivoting on the ball of the foot. One more time in full speed. Just like that. Now when you start to get the hang of it, you can start drilling this. So you can pivot left, and then pivot right. And then pivot left, and pivot right. Now you want to do this drill for about 1 round. Once you start really getting the hang of it, to go anywhere you want, okay? Go here, there, there. There we go. And then when you really start to get good at it, you can start throwing punches, okay? So pivot, just like that. So now that you guys know how to pivot, start drilling this and use it at your next fight. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you have any questions. Share the video. Peace out. See you next time.